So this is the site where we are constructing our new factory just next to the old one, the one that you already saw. So this, so we have a bed that we make, and these are runners that we put on the ground on which our honeycomb panels are seated. So the first thing we do is we make the first corner that was done today, starting this morning. We just continue build the whole structure. So I think if you come here in about 7 working days, you will find that the entire structure, which is about 1,500 square feet, will be completed. So this is also a dismantleable structure where you can possibly see the screws over there, which later, if we want to shift this thing, we can dismantle the whole building and move it to a new location.